Today's quickie video is brought to you by my vice president and very helpful husband. This is Shelley, and he is going to explain a little bit more about design walls, about what we did. We don't have a really big room, but the design wall was just a necessity. Here is how he made my design wall.
Hello, I'm not going to tell you about how to design walls, but I'm just going to tell you how I did this one. It was very simple thing. Basically, we went to the hardware store, Lowe's, and bought a couple of sheets of insulation panels. They're just styrofoam insulation panels, and they standard come in 4x8 sheets, I think. I joined the two of them together in the middle. You might see a little bit of a light strip there. I really can't feel it, but I think I just took some light duct tape and taped over it to make sure that they were together. Then we got some old flannel. Is this flannel material? What is this fabric here?
Yes, it's a flannel type of.
Whatever it is, it's kind of like, what you might remember from grade school or something. And we laid it flat, wrapped it around. I think it may be taped on the back. I can't remember for sure. And then when I put it up, basically all I did was to locate the studs across the top, drilled a couple of holes. This is just a strip of trim that I got, and finishing trim. And I just drilled the holes, got some screws, and screwed it in, and basically that's all that's holding this up on the wall. There's one screw that I put down here along the edge so that this wouldn't flop out, but you can see that there's no glue or anything. And my main objective, in addition to having a design wall for her to use, was to have something that eventually if we ever take it down, there's very little to any damage to the wall behind it. So if I took this down, about all I'd have to do is take those screws out, put some putty in the holes and paint over it, and we'd be okay. So that's it. You can see from this side as well that it's basically, it's just hanging from up there. So that's about it.
Thank you. I really enjoy it.
Pleasure was all mine.
Thank you for watching my video. And please subscribe to see more of similar videos. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up so I know what people are wanting to see. And if you have any comments or questions or things that you're wanting to see more of, let me know that in the comments too. Thanks again.